Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we check out all kinds of stuff that you need to know, but you don't know because it's been suppressed. Uh, Magnum opuses, tour de forces, and earth-shattering discoveries from obscure sources and obscure viewpoints. Things that the powers that be don't want you to know. This is a segment that we have called the Q-tip of the spear, and this is about the coverage of the cutting edge of the info war, the war between the globalists and the patriots, and just talking about some of the things I've heard on recent podcasts. And yeah, this is interesting here with this New York election. Um, the neocons and Zionists are out there. There's a huge amount of fear porn talking about how this is how Nazi Germany got started, and they're gonna kill the Jews, and then they're gonna come for you. And I would say that you should keep one eye open to that, but maybe recognize that this might be an op, just like everything else is. And ask yourself, how does this make you feel? And, ask yourself if your emotional strings are being pulled, and, uh, you know, who's performing this op? What is this believable? Even is this even believable? And then you look at the counterfactual or whatever, and you hear neocons uh, uh, defending Dan Goldman. They're coming for him. Well, Dan Goldman was the biggest false fake news grifter out there, who is also like the uh, heir of the Goldman Sachs, uh, empire. So I'm just not really gonna have a great deal of sympathy for him, and I just feel like these socialists, are less dangerous because they are so blatant and so easily, like comically dismissed, even to the point where I think people who aren't really paying that much attention can even figure that out. Now, they might not, and I'm not saying that these neocons shouldn't uh, criticize them, the Mamdamis of the world, and um, you know, caution about it. But to just go out and just be like, this is the end, and you know, they're you know they're gonna take over here, and we're headed towards civil war, and everybody, um, we'll see. We'll see what happens in New York. That'll be the test case here, and I'm totally convinced that it's an op, that it's just, it is exactly to scare you and to, get you to, do something about it. But at the same time, it also is drawing attention to I mean, it's kind of like you have two sides, and they both are seriously um, compromised. You know, you've got the um, odd pairing of the Islamic, you know, jihadists with the gay transgenderists and the you know, overeducated feminists, and then you have you know, you have the Zionists and the you know, Jewish bankers on the other side. So, you know, just let them tear each other apart, you know, and you know, when the battle is over, then we'll see what it looks like, and we'll you know, uh, act accordingly. Now, I just say this maybe, and you probably listen to this as a Q follower, as a full control person, and you know that it is dangerous. You know, it could be a huge rug pull, and the next thing you know, they are pulling out the guillotines or the gas chambers or whatever, and you know, um, that has to be that has to be looked at, but it can't be, you can't lead with it. You can't just uh, try to motivate people that way. And you can't, you know, it can't be your go-to thing that you harp on a daily basis, um, you know, to kind of mobilize your audience. That's, you know, it's fear porn. And so I don't support that. I think that what would be much better would be to, you know, check out the religious books of both of these groups, along with your own group. You know, the three major Western religions. Well, I also, you know, group in atheism and or as atheism and or communism and or scientism in one, and also Satanism um, as you know the five major Western religions, and deconstruct these things. None of them hold any water at all. You know, if you really look at the history, they're all complete instruments of oppression. And you know, when you are fighting one against another, against the other, against the other, you're just running on a hamster wheel. What you need to uh, do is arm yourself or red pill yourself against these uh, false doctrines, psyops. All of them are psyops, and you know, figure out where you're at. Now, I recommend uh, something approximating deism, which is, you know, the belief in one God who is good and who has um, endowed the humans with spiritual faculties, not just the humans, but other beings as well, with spiritual faculties and reason that they can behold God's creation directly and understand God through God's creation without intermediaries, with no books, no need for books, no need for priests, pastors, popes, and rabbis, imams, you know, but just direct transmission. appears to be frozen. But anyway, thanks for tuning in today, and have a great day.